BMW Code 140001 just appeared. If your engine is shaking like a vibrator and your dash says Drivetrain Malfunction, don't panic yet. This code means your BMW is misfiring on multiple cylinders and has entered a self-protection mode. If ignored, this can lead to permanent catalytic converter failure and a much higher repair bill. Check your ignition coils and spark plug gaps first before assuming it's an expensive injector. Subscribe for more BMW diagnostic secrets and comment your model and engine below.